partner with a manufacturer that holds the right certification is essential. At Sunrise Metal, our certifications reflect our firm commitment to quality and industry standards. ISO 9001. This certification ensures we have efficient management system in place, delivering consistent quality across all our products and services. ISO 13485. Specifically for medical devices. This certification demonstrates that we meet strict quality requirements for safety and effectiveness in the medical industries. IATF 16949 focus on automotive sector. This certification highlights our commitment to preventing defects and reducing waste throughout our production processes. Our certification demonstrates our commitment to delivering top-quality products. Partner with Sunrise Metal for reliable results. We are dedicated to supporting your projects with excellence.